Preparation through education is less costly than learning from any tragedy. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is disaster management. Friends, before going to management, let's talk about disaster. Disaster is a result of natural as well as human disturbance, and it comes without any warning, and its result as a mass destruction, and it is out of human control. There are two types of disaster. First is natural disaster that consists earthquakes, floods, cold wave, heat wave, epidemics, tsunami, etc. Second is man-made disaster like fires, transportation accidents, mining accidents, etc. Friends, if we talk about the impacts of disaster, then first is losses of human, and also human suffered psychologically. Second, losses of economy, and many infrastructure got destroyed. Third, we also see the impact on the animals as well as natural plants and wildlife and biodiversity. Friends, some other impact like in the time of natural disaster, any disaster, we face the shortage of foods as well as water. If we see particularly India, then we have faced worst disaster in history. Some named are 2014 Jammu and Kashmir flood, 2013 Uttarakhand flood, 1999 Odisha cyclone, and some other like Gujarat floods, tsunamis in many different states. In the time of disaster management, we see three stages. First is before disaster, second during disaster, and third after disaster. Before disaster, we try to do good planning to fight against disaster. Second, during disaster, we try to give all possible help to the needy one and victims. And after disaster, we gives all the rapid recovery for the people who got damaged from the disasters. In India, in the time for there are many agencies that work for disaster management. First is NDRF, National Disaster Management Authority. It is led by Prime Minister, and it is most important part body of the disaster management. Second is National Executive Committee. It involves all the high level of ministers, and it basically prepare the planning to fight against natural disasters. Third is a state disaster management authority. It is led by chief minister, and it is very important for any state. Third is district disaster management authority. It is led by district collectors. And last is local authorities that consist panchayat as well as municipality and some other local agencies. Friends, in my conclusion, as to I will totally agree that we cannot control the disasters, but we can control the losses of human as well as their economically life. We can take example of Odisha after the 1999 cyclone. Odisha have faced many cyclones as well, but the losses of people have reduced much, much, and much due to the good planning and early quick decision of the government of Odisha. And WHO also appreciated the Odisha model to fight against natural disasters. And we can, it all will be possible only when the central government and the state government will work united in any kind of disasters that happen in any states, and that will be benefited for the people of India. Thank you.